This is the Nerf rival Artemis. It's a 33 round capacity internal mag spring powered pump action blaster with slam fire enabled. It is the little brother to this, the Hades, and in today's video we're gonna be reviewing this, and boy is this a fun one. So starting at the front of the blaster right here, we have the 4-round rotating cylinder that you fire the darts out of. Then we have a handle right here that stops them from coming out like this, kind of like in the hammer shot. And then right up here, up top, we have a little rival rail. And then down here, it says, it's like the little logo thing. And then we have the pump to prime the blaster. And moving back, we have the little loading hatch. So to load it, you pull this back, then you get your ammo, and then there's like little slots right here that you can put one ball at a time in. And then once you're done loading it, you just push this back forward. And this is a 33 round internal mag right here. So moving down some, we have the trigger safety right here. We have a trigger right here. Then on this side and this side only, we have an unjamming button. So in case you got it jammed or something and you need to prime it back like I just did, you can do that. This is actually one of the easier to use that I've experienced with, because it's like a little notch. You just push it down and then you just push it down and you can pull it back. So yeah. And then towards the back, we have, if I can get this in order, we have the rival logo right here, which is pretty cool. Then we have a sling attachment point down here, and then we have one last sling attachment point right here. So that's about all for the blaster itself. Now for the firing demo. Alright, so first we're going to do it with the regular rival rounds that it came with. Alright, now we're going to try slam fire. Alright, so that's about it for the firing demo. So now we're going to move on to buy or not to buy. Alright, the big question, to buy or not to buy. I personally would think if you're a younger kid, like, you know, if you're like 9 or 10-ish, I personally would not really recommend this, because it's really meant for an older player base, especially because it doesn't have a stock to brace against. There's no stock here, so you're basically relying on your other hand to like fully pump it. And if you're an older Nerfer and you have like more arm strength and you can just do that consistently, I think you should get this. But as you did see, I did have a little bit of hiccups when I was using Slamfire in the firing demo. But that's just because like I'm a little bit younger, and this is more meant for older, like the older player base. So if you're an older player, I would definitely recommend this. And if you're a younger player, I wouldn't really recommend this, especially at the $45 price tag. I mean, it's not a lot for $45. I mean, at that point, just get the Hades. I mean, it's just way better for the price. It comes with like a 70 round capacity, and like it actually has a stock, so you can actually brace up on it. So overall, pretty good, pretty fun blaster. I would not recommend this if you're a younger Nerfer, but if you're older, I would definitely recommend this. So that's about it for now. I'll see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe.